More work on the Discovery today.
What's that?
Here's the tea lady.
Pardon? Oh.
We had when we bought it, we looked underneath and we were seeing that there was quite a decent oil leak, and we had a look around the engine, and it seems to be coming from the back of the rocker cover gasket. It's running down the back of the engine. The old one is pretty stiff, as you can see there. It's pretty rigid. Struggle to bend it, and obviously they should be really rubbery like this one. So
this is the main.
We've put that in there, and we're going to put that on, and that should stop the leak. Hardest bit to do is to get the half moon bit into the back.